Turn around!
Put it down. Don't.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police interaction videos you've ever seen. We hope our videos can educate everyone enough and show you folks what not to do when encountering police. Featured in this video are suspects who love to counter officers with their shiny weapons. And when I say shiny, I mean knives and a sword. Bringing a sword to a gunfight? Now that's something new. Criminals these days are starting to get creative, but let's see how it goes for them when they try to counter the law. This video contains a lot of sensitive scenes and violence that may be disturbing for some people. We had to censor or blur some parts to make it watchable, so viewer discretion is advised. For our first video, Palmdale Station deputies responded to an assault inside a gas station with a suspect carrying a deadly weapon. The caller described a male, later identified as 30-year-old Joseph HENSON, wielding a sharp object and making threats. Let's see how it goes.
Make me call 220. Call 911. It's dangerous out here. I think it's sad if you don't call 911. Yeah, I think she stabbed me in the fucking neck.
The cashier is now calling 911 just like HENSON ordered. Let's see how it goes from here.
Hi, this guy is in front of me. I think he's going to stab me in the neck.
Hey!
Moments later, the police arrive and they see HENSON walking around outside the store.
Come over here!
Hey, attention Palmdale units, Palmdale 26. Is now walking away from our patrol vehicle. Confirmed he is holding.
HENSON kept walking away despite the officer's orders, as if he didn't see any threat from it.
Walking away from us.
Don't come any closer, man. Don't come any closer, man. Drop it! Drop it!
HENSON approached the officers slowly while still carrying the weapon. Let's see what happens next.
Shoot you, man. Don't make me do this. Please.
Please, look at me, look at me, look at me. Don't.
Stop, man. Don't come closer. I'm gonna shoot you. Don't come closer, man. I'm in fear for my life, man. I don't want to get hurt. Please drop it, man. Don't make me shoot you.
Multiple shots are fired, but HENSON manages to escape. We can see how the events unfold from this police officer's body cam.
Hey! 1033, give me the pads. Let me see your hands! Hey! Come over here!
Hey, attention Palmdale units, Palmdale 265. Adam's going to be detaining a 245 suspect at gunpoint. We're going to be facing east, right behind the market, facing the gas pumps. Suspect is unco-op at this time, has his hand in his jacket pocket. Unknown if he is holding the knife at this point.
Hey, man, just relax and hand out.
HENSON was standing at close proximity to the police cars as seen from this angle.
Hey, man, just relax. Just walk over here, take whatever's in your hand out of your pocket and walk towards us, okay?
The officer instructed HENSON calmly, but it seems like he wasn't responding to any of it.
Take your hands out, man.
Hey, break the traffic. Suspect is still uncooperative. He is facing our car, approximately 20 feet away from our car, has his hand in his jacket pocket, and appears to be holding an object in his hand, but we're unable to determine at this point what it is.
Take your hand out of your pocket.
Thank you.
Drop it.
Drop it on the ground.
Alright, suspect is now walking away from our patrol vehicle. Confirmed. He is holding like possibly a screwdriver or a knife, walking away from us.
Henson is now walking away from the officers, but they follow suit, hoping to find where Henson is heading towards.
In the parking lot. Now he's stopped.
Hey, man, come over here. No, we're not going to shoot you, man. Come over here. Come over here, man.
The officers locate Henson at a gas station nearby, but it seems like he is still in his own world, even though the officers have their guns pointed at him.
Come over here. Drop whatever's in your hand. Drop whatever's in your hand, man. Don't do this, please. Please don't do this, man. Drop whatever's in your hand. Drop whatever's in your hand. I don't want to do this, man. If you come close to me, I'm going to shoot you. If you come close to me, I'm going to shoot you. Don't do this. If you come close to me, I'm going to shoot you, man. Don't do this. Please, man, don't do this.
Let's see how Henson approaches the officer from another angle.
I don't want to do this, man. Please. Don't make me shoot you. Please.
Hey, man, look at me. I just got here.
So I can keep on reading.
No, man. Drop whatever's in your hand, man. If you keep coming close to me, I'm going to shoot you.
Dude, look at me, man. I just got here. Talk to me. What's going on, man? Explain to me.
If you come close to us, man, we're going to shoot you. I don't want to shoot you. No. No, drop whatever's in your hand, man. I don't want to.
Just talk to me. What's going on, man? Talk to me. I just got here. Explain to me what's going on. Let's talk about it.
No, hey, please don't come close, and please take out whatever's in your hand. Please. I don't want to shoot you, man. It's not worth it.
The officers tried to show empathy towards Henson, but as always, he seems like he doesn't really care.
Drop whatever's in your hand and come talk to me, man. No, I don't want to. I'm telling you, please, just drop whatever's in your hand, but don't come any closer, because I am going to have to shoot you. It's not worth it, man. Please don't make me do this. Please, don't make me do this, please. Don't come any closer, man. Don't come any closer, man. Drop it. Drop it. Don't come any closer.
Look at me. Just look at me.
Don't come any closer, man. If you keep coming closer, I'm going to have to shoot you, man. Don't make me do this. Please.
Please. Look at me. Don't.
Stop, man. Don't come closer. I'm going to shoot you.
Henson tried to approach the officers slowly with the weapon still in his hand.
Man, I don't want to get hurt. Please drop it, man. Don't make me shoot you.
Henson was screaming like hell after being shot multiple times and trying to flee from the scene.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it! Drop it! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it!
The officers were able to find Henson across the area, and now he's lying on the ground and looks like he's about to surrender.
No!
I can't. No, not behind me.
Go down.
Go down to the ground.
Go down to the
I'm
ground.
bleeding to death.
Go down to the ground, man.
I'm bleeding to death. I'm bleeding to death. I'm dying.
We have fire on the way. Okay? We're gonna handle it. You're gonna be okay.
Henson's screams sound too personal. Guess those bullets must have hurt.
Please. I gotta put him in cuffs, man.
Yeah.
In this second video, the Pima County Sheriff's Department responded to a hotel located at South Palo Verde Road for a report of a suspicious person. The suspect was later identified as 23-year-old Devon Lewis standing outside of a hotel room while holding a sword.
How can I help you? Hello, I work over here at the Days Inn, and I just have customers complaining that there's a guest here that's waving around a sword and screaming. What's the address? 4855 South Palo Verde Road.
And what is your name? Where is the mail at?
He's around the other side of the building on the bottom floor. He's in room 116. He just didn't listen when we told him to stop, and we just...
So is he in the room doing this, or is he outside the room doing this?
He's outside, like, just right outside of his room, just, like, screaming, waving a sword.
Okay, do you know, is he white, black, Hispanic, Native American?
He's white.
About how old?
I would say maybe 30.
What color shirt?
Red jacket.
What color pants or shorts?
I want to say maybe black or gray. Oh, he's wearing shorts, gray shorts.
Gray shorts, okay.
And we weren't going to kick him out. We just wanted him to stop, but he wasn't listening to us.
So nobody's with him, are they?
No, he's just by himself.
All right, I've got deputies. That'll be there shortly, okay?
Alrighty, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
We can see from this surveillance footage that Lewis was carrying a sharp sword around the area outside the hotel. He continues to play with the sword as if it's a toy, but that thing looks really sharp. Lewis continued to show off the sword like it's a trophy. Here, we can see him holding it up with his bare hands. Not until the deputy arrives. Let's see how this goes.
Put it down, lay it on the ground, or yeah. You gotta call us. Yeah, saying that you're screaming, waving the sword and stuff. What's that?
I swear I'm not screaming.
No, that's fine. I mean, I didn't hear you scream when I pulled up. That's just what the call is
Listen
referencing.
to me now. Listen to me, Holmes. Now you listen to me, dog. Oh yeah. What's going on?
Yeah,
Listen,
what's going on, dude?
I'm trying to achieve something.
Huh?
I'm trying to achieve greatness in the katanas. It's not allowed in the United States.
Well, I mean, we got people calling. I mean, I'm not telling you not to achieve that. What I'm saying is...
I'm a hell of responsible. Unless somebody comes at me and is willing to kill me, I'm not willing to kill them.
And that's how it should be. I agree 100%. But what we're trying to understand is...
Now Lewis is just being weird. Still, carrying that weapon around is an illegal thing to do around an establishment.
We're here to see what's going on. All right, it's not every day that somebody's out at a hotel waving a katana. You know what I mean? You're what?
I'm related to Dionysus and everything.
So what are you doing?
I'm practicing my way with the katana so I can become better at combat.
Are you not able to do that in the comfort of your room?
Lewis finally snapped and pointed the sword towards the officers. Let's see how this goes.
Don't. Are you not able to do that in the comfort of your room? Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling you right now.
Put it down.
Don't.
695, shots fired, shots fired.
If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.